Guys, my name is Mike Powell. I'm with Wilcom Associates. We're the reps for Spyder here in Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, Michigan, Western PA, West Virginia. So if you're in those markets, give us a call and we can certainly get in touch with you. We're going to demo the rapid core eject system today from Spyder. So what sets this apart from all the other whole saws out in the marketplace is the safety feature of this rapid core eject system. Typically, when you're ejecting a core from a typical hole saw, is you have to take a screwdriver or something to eject the core out. What Spyder has is it's a rapid core eject system where you just pull it back, you pull the cup off, and then discard the cup and move forwards. Speed, safety, production. So I'm going to do a little demo for you. Now, what's also fantastic about this hole saw is the ability to take an existing hole and expand it out. Okay, typically, whenever you have drilled a bunch of holes and you need to expand them out, it's a real pain because you have to build some sort of a template and then go hole to hole to hole. Not with Spyder. Okay? So how it works is you have an existing hole, you want to expand it out, place the original cup in the hole, and it's that fast. Eject and move forward. We'll do it again right here. Eject, move forward. It's a fantastic time saver when expanding holes on the job site. Another function of this hole saw kit is the ability to drill angled holes. So typically when you're drilling on an angle, it's a real problem, not with Spyder. There you go. So Spyder is a complete line of power tool accessories, high performance power tool accessories. So we focus, and we're really well known for our hole saw kits and our hole saws and the rapid core eject system, but there's a full line of power tool accessories. Okay, first I'm going to go through the different hole saw kits. So we've got your bimetal hole saws with the rapid core eject system, the rough carbide tip for rapid core eject system that I just demoed. Okay, then we have our tarantula, which is our carbide tip for all kinds of different materials. Okay, some other cool things that Spyder has. One, going to be our full line of saw blades. Okay, 7 1/4. That's going to be the most popular. Then we get into some of our reset blades. Okay, so we have our standard reset blades that are going to be metal cutting. We have a full line of reset blades. We can hang with any of the reset blades out in the marketplace, and we outperform. Spyder not only has reset blades in small packs, but we also have just introduced bulk packs. So these are 50 packs of these blades. We also are offering them in 100 packs as well. But what really sets us aside on one of them is this carbide tip reset blade. This is good for masonry. So if you have any sort of brick block, any sort of masonry material, this is fantastic for that. Chuck this up into a reset blade, and you can saw brick, block, any sort of masonry materials. When we get into our standard bits, okay, for wood drilling, we've got all the different sizes. Bit tips. So this has the Mach glue technology on it. And I'm going to talk a little bit more about Mach glue, but full line of bit tips and drill drivers, spade or paddle bits. Okay, and then we get into our Mach glue technology, which is on our drill bits. Okay, drill bits and step bits. Okay, Mach glue is a proprietary technology to keep it running cooler, faster, longer. More holes per bit, faster drilling. And heat is the enemy of drill bits. This keeps it cooler, longer, and faster. That's with very little pressure. Okay, now we can take that and we can put the step bit in. Same Mach glue technology. High visibility with the white lines. We'll bump one of these out to 3/8. There we go.